Welcome to my channel Pyare's Programming. Today's topic is user will input a number in the form of decimal and we will display its binary form. What is a decimal number? What is a binary number? How we can convert from decimal number to binary number? This is the topic. After understanding the conversion mechanism, we have to apply it in the program. The most important is how to write the program. We'll see in this video. So let's check the question. Here the question is saying that write a program to define a method. Obviously, from this it is clear that this is method program. Convert binary. This indicates that method name is convert binary. To display, that means method is not going to return anything. It will display the result. What is the result it is going to display? Binary equivalent of a given number to the method. That means method is going to take a parameter which is a number and I want to convert that number into binary and I will display. Any other thing is there? So that's why I said that read the question completely before answering. The next part of the question says that the number must be a positive integer. That means first we need to verify the number given by the user is a positive integer or not. If it is, then convert it into binary form. So let's see an example. Suppose user has entered the number 13. Then my binary number will be 1101. If the user is entering a number 79, my binary form is 1001111. सर समझ में तो आ गया 13 में से आप कैसे निकालोगे 1101? ये डेसिमल नंबर बाइनरी नंबर में कैसे कन्वर्ट होता है? So we'll learn this with the help of mechanism how we are going to convert a decimal number to binary. Now we'll learn the conversion mechanism. User has entered the number 13 which is stored in a variable no, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide that number with 2. Why? Because binary number system base is 2. It only contains 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. So that's why the base of the binary number system is 2. When I'm dividing it by 2, the quotient is 6 because 2 6 are 12. So the remainder is, yes, 1. After that again I will divide it by 2. 2 3 ja 6, remainder is 0. Again I will divide it with 2. 2 1 ja 2 and the remainder is 1. Again I will divide it with 2. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. That means I am dividing the number with 2 till I am getting 0 and I am getting the reminders, where I will take the remainder from bottom to top as it is indicated over here. And I will write it like this. From the bottom, 1 will come first. Then I will take the next one. Then I will take the next 0. Then I will take the last one. And my binary form is created. सर मैकेनिज्म तो समझ में आ गया, अब प्रोग्राम में कैसे लिखें? नंबर तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा 2 से, क्वोशिएंट भी आ जाएगा, रिमाइंडर भी आ जाएगा, वो तो हमें पता है सर, बट ये जो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में जा रहा है आउटपुट इसका, उसको कैसे निकालेंगे, उसको कैसे दिखाएंगे? डोंट वरी, विल सी हाउ वी कैन डू दिस इजीली इन आवर प्रोग्राम. So let's start our program where we will see how to convert a decimal to binary, how to store the quotient, remainder, and the most important part is how to get the remainder in reverse order to display the binary result. Let's start our program. My first job is to import java.util.star. After that, I will define the class public class. Class name is Pyari programming. And after that, I will define the method. Why I am taking Pyari programming? Because it is not specified in the question what is the class name. Now we'll see the question to check what are the requirement of the method. Write a program to define a method, convert binary. Method name is convert binary to display. That means method is not going to return any result. So its return type must be yes, void of a given number to the method. Given number to the method. That means we are going to pass the parameter to the method. And the parameter is of type integer. So let's apply this in our program. So as per the question, return type is void. Method name is convert binary and it is going to take a parameter of type integer int no. Now pre-processing. When we know that we are dividing a number and when I will come out of the loop, the number becomes 0. I cannot get back the number. Because of that reason, I need to keep a backup of it. So that's why I will say int de for decimal is equal to no. If you are not aware of this, why I am storing a backup of it, you can watch this video. This is single logical number program. I am going to apply that single logic in this program again. You will get this in the playlist number system. After that, I will declare a string object binary is equal to null. Why null? Because at this moment, I don't have any binary number. Why I'm taking string? Because I need to concatenate the remainder in a string. After pre-processing, I have to check the question again. What is the first requirement of the question? The first requirement of the question says that it must be a positive integer. So that means I have to check the number whether it is positive or not. So I will check if number is greater than 0. That means it is a positive integer. If it is positive integer, what I am going to do? Recall your example. Just check it out. I was dividing the number by 2 repeatedly, more than once. And I was storing the remainder. So that's what I am going to apply over here. So how I am going to do? The same mechanism again I am saying applying this particular video single logic. Again I am saying I am applying the single logic which is available in this above video. You will get it in number system. See this video to get a better idea regarding this programming logic. Where I am taking int remainder is equal to no is equals to no modulo 2. Why modulo 2? But in that particular video, you saw it is no modulo 10 because it was decimal number system. Here, I want to convert it to binary. So that's why I'm dividing it by 2. After getting the remainder, what I will do? I will concatenate. I will say bi is equal to remainder plus bi. That means the binary number is going to be added at the end. Why added at the end? And why the remainder is at the beginning? You can get it from this particular video where we have done write a program to display each word characters in reverse order. अब हमारे एग्जाम्पल में हम लोग कैसे दिखा रहे थे नंबर को थोड़ा देखो. We used to display the number in reverse order. Just check it out. Reverse order from bottom to top. So because of that reason, I am applying this one. Remainder plus your binary. After getting that one, I will reduce the number divide is equal to 2. But it is not going to work. If you will see the slide again, you can get the idea that it is not doing it only for once. It is repeatedly dividing it by 2. But in our program, we did it only once. We have to repeat this process. In order to repeat this process, I will say while my number is greater than 0. As per the example, you might have seen that I was dividing the number till the number becomes 0. So when I will come out of this loop, I will get the binary equivalent of the decimal number and I will display it. So I will say system.out.print and I will give the message within double quotes. I will give /t to indent it towards right, decimal number, and the number is stored in. If you write no, it is wrong because when I will come out of this loop, number will become 0. So because of that reason, I will display DE for decimal number. And I will give a concatenation symbol again. And I will give /n to move to the next line. /t to indent towards right. After that, I will say binary number. And the binary number is stored in BI. My program is over. No, it is wrong. Because it is method program, that means I have to write down the main method, which is already I told you. Otherwise, it will not going to work for you. So, how I am going to do it? I will write public static void main. Inside the main, I will pass string array. It can be anything. I am taking PMS for Pyarimoon Sahu. I will create an object. Because of that reason, class name, object name is equals to new class name, empty parenthesis. After creating this, we'll check whether the method is taking any parameter. Yes, it is taking parameter. Who is going to pass the parameter? The method who is going to call it. So I will accept it. Because of that reason, I will use scanner. SS is equal to new scanner. And within parenthesis, I will say system.in to accept the data. But I have to give a message system.out.print. The message will be enter a number within quotes. Enter a number. And the most appropriate will be enter a decimal number. And more appropriate is enter a positive decimal number. And after that, I will say int no is equal to ss dot next int. Why next int? Because the variable where I am going to store is of type integer. Now, one more question is there in my mind. Here I have taken no and here also I have taken no. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible because this is a local variable available inside the method and this is a local variable available inside main method. So it can be same or it can be different. After accepting the number, I can call the method. How I will call the method? Object name is pp dot method name is convertBinary. What is the actual parameter? This one. Now let's execute this. I'm giving a number called 12. I got decimal number is 12 and its binary equivalent is 1100. Just check it out by dividing it by 2 and take the remainder. If you are getting 1100, my program is correct and your answer is correct. Let's execute once more. I am giving 45. I got the binary equivalent of the 45 is 101101. So with this, thank you one and all. This program can be done without string also. Thank you for watching my video. But if you want any other video like this, you have to comment in my YouTube comment section so that I will create the video and upload it for you. Thank you.